Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on a DX-44HP from Galaxy. This is for John in Pennsylvania. John asked me John purchased this microphone, the RD104. And the only conflict there is with the talkback. The talkback's a little loud. Check. You hear that little bit every once in a while. You're gonna have to play around with your mic gain and some speaker spacing there. Keep it away from your radio. Mine's right in front there, so let me face it the other way. Maybe it'll help. Check. Yeah, it helps. Alright. I'll turn the mic up off. So we'll start with the power all the way down, and we'll go over to this watt meter that's set for 10 watts on the top scale. And it's 1. And if I turn the power all the way up, it should go to 10. Now over here on my 50 watt slug, peak reading meter, that's right in the middle, 40-50 right there. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. There you go. That's the output of that radio. Tiger 19 for radio check. I appreciate that. Have a good day.